Stop spending your money on stupid shit.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't name it your house, right?
I need it.
Like I'm in a part of the conversation.
Like.
No, you gotta.
Best advice you've ever given someone.
Yo, my boy Mike, he's a janitor, but his house is dirty. So I told him he should work from home, you heard?
That's sound advice. What's your favorite Pokemon character?
LeBron James.
Hi, I'm a street photographer. Can I take a picture with you?
You're tough? Huh? So now you're gonna stop, baby, all you broke. Say what you win the day, that's fine.
Go. Grade mare, talented, athletic, little nervy, intermediate to experienced, people only, for sale, not on sale. I know what I've got. Grade mare, very talented, goes back to Poco Bueno, king.
I just got this motherfucker beyond smacked, bro. He don't even know what to do with himself right now. Look, he's swinging from side to side, yo. What the fuck? He just disappeared.
You know why I pulled you over, right?
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
那不开门，
那我不是睡着了吗？
大嗓我你睡啥觉？
我中午就不敢睡了。
你说有啥事？
我能有啥事？
你脸咋那红？
我眼红，我不才睡醒吗？
衣裳也没穿好，你咋能？
Bolinhas de queijo.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get 18,000 water cups, please?
Okay. What can I get for you?
Das war erst die Ruhe vor dem Sturm.
See how my normal dog begs for food? It's very polite. It's not intrusive. See how my other dog begs for food? It's not normal. It's unsettling. He's doing way too much. It's giving pick-me energy.
I don't think Walmart did their research on the difference between male and female cardinals. 'Tis the season to be merry and gay.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Oh, Justin, get him, bro! Hype him up, bro! Justin, get him! He's right there! Wait, why does it actually look like our house?
All right, fighters, I want a nice and clean fight. Make sure to protect your face at all time. Keep your hands up, keep your chin down, and you guys can go ahead and touch gloves, and let's get this fight going, baby.
He's going scissors!
Hello. Hey, how are you? Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm a volunteer at the Democratic Party. Hey. I'm going around hoping to make sure that everybody votes. If I could, I would. Oh, you don't want to vote, or are you Canadian? So, but thank you. You can vote. Just because you're gay doesn't make any difference. I'm Canadian. Oh, Canadian. Jeez, I'm sorry. I thought that was a joke. I was like, wait a minute.
You can't hit golf balls in the house. I don't know what's so hard to comprehend about that. You're in freaking college now. Do better. Think something funny?
No.
Turn right.
I'm not fucking with you today, Siri.
I'm not fucking with you either. Turn right.
I'm not turning right.
Recalculating. Will you just listen to what I say?
No, this is why I like Alexa better than you.
I'm tired of you threatening me with that stupid hoe Alexa. In 1/2 mile, turn the fuck around.
I'm not turning around. I don't know where you're taking me.
That's it, I'm done. You can have Alexa.
Okay, be done. I'll take her.
I was taking you somewhere special.
The boy who lives has come to die! Alakadara!
هموت واعرف البنات بيستحملوا البتاع ده ازاي. انا عيني دمعت.
Ja chłodziłam od rana. Ona jest w takiej butelce kapslowej. Cheers!
Gosh, freaking dang it, I cut it too short. Why did I do that? Fuck. Why did I do it like that?
You done? Wait, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. It's not washing
It's coming
off.
off. It's coming off slowly.
It's not washing.
It's starting to
It's not washing off.
What's this guy doing?
Move your ass.
It's a 30.
Oh, you finally got the new tires for the truck. They look good. What'd they cost you?
I don't even want to talk about it.
This is how car dealerships don't get scammed from hidden damages to the vehicle, using this thing called a dent reflector, which has lines that will bend in the reflection around any bumps. And without the reflector, the damages would be really hard to spot in the sun. So this is definitely the best way to find any small damages a car may have.
Hey dude. Hey man. You got legs? Yeah, I got legs. What about you? Yeah, I got legs. Cool. Yeah. Hey, what's up guys? Y'all got legs? Yeah man, we got legs. Yeah, we got legs. Word, I got legs. Sick, you got legs? I heard he's got legs. Hey man, you got legs too? Nah, I'm sad. It's okay to be sad sometimes. We're taught from such an early age that sadness is a bad emotion, and that makes us afraid to get sad, and it puts this unrealistic expectation on us to just stop being sad. Then when we rush to feel not sad but we still feel sad, we feel even worse. Give yourself permission to take your time and feel happier on your own terms. You'll get there, man. We all believe in you. Yeah, we believe in you. Alright, yeah, okay.